Welcome to my man cave. Yeah, I know it's in a bathroom. I get it, but that's not what we're here to talk about now. I know you want to go off on a tangent and talk about my man cave bathroom stuff, but listen, it's not what we're here to talk about. We are here to talk about why I'm holding my pops' knife as a mic holder. Well, it's got a lot to do with nostalgia, because I love my pops, and one thing my pops loved, that he loved this country. And we got us a semi-quincentennial on our hands. That's 250 years for America, baby. Let's go! So they're saying the old 250-year semi-quincentennial is gonna bring on a parade of tall ships around New York, both July 3rd and July 4th. I want to see that. So I really want to talk about this plan I have. I know that the shores of the East River are going to be really packed with people trying to see this parade. So I am trying to be a little think outside the boxy and come up with an idea to introduce this beautiful tall ship parade to my family from a unique and special location. I'm actually a little bit nervous that this is not gonna be something that I get to discover on my own. Maybe this is me being a naive New Yorker and thinking that I could just show up to a very undisclosed location that I think is underground and nobody knows about to see a very, very significant boat parade. But that's for us to discover, because I'm willing to make a bet that people are gonna be crowding around Manhattan and Queens and the Pepsi sign area and all of that. I think that the Roosevelt Island North Tip will be deserted. Maybe not deserted. This is New York City. Let me not get ahead of myself. But I am willing to make a bet that me and you, right out there today, we will see no official infrastructure and we will be able to figure this out for ourselves. What's up, Fresh? Just saw a turn, baby. Gator. Oh my Lord, he's out here. He's out here. This guy is waiting for the parade. He is anchored out in the best spot you could even imagine. He's my hero. I'm gonna scurp up right here on the sidewalk. Boom. Boom. Oh! All right, well, check this out. So I just had to pull up because in the East River, right here on Vernon Boulevard, we got two boats that are anchored out and possibly waiting for the show too. Lord, that is hot. Don't be touching anything outside right now. It is hot today, 100 degrees. So if we had our boat in the water, this would probably be where we were planning on anchoring out and watching the festivities also. But we don't, so we gotta adapt and move on things. So it'll be an e-bike day, and we're actually headed right now to that little tip of what is Roosevelt Island. That lighthouse, that little park, that's gonna be our spot. So look, guys, we made it. We officially made it, and we officially learned the official name. It's Lighthouse Park, okay? So we're here, and could you imagine the view of those tall ships just passing right here in front of us? I think the biggest dad flex in New York is doing what I'm doing now. Coming to an event location ahead of time to scout things out and make sure that you're gonna be able to deliver a comfortable package for the family. If you're a real New Yorker, you can get innovative on where you show up and how you show up to major events that are gonna bring the New York mob. Outsmarting the mob is what makes you a New Yorker, not saying that you went to the event. I mean, if we could come here and have this whole park to ourselves with that view of the tall ships, we'd be set up pretty good. I mean, I think we might try it. So tomorrow, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pack this bike up. Seats, picnic equipment, everything that we're gonna need to come to this park and set up for basically a picnic to watch beautiful tall ships for our sequincentennial? Is that it? I forgot. As a true New Yorker, New Yorker. How you like that? New Yorker. I am pre-planning like a true dad should. You know what I'm saying? Look at me. Let's really think about it. We show up here. We got everything set up. The blanket down, the chairs. We're sitting here in the shade, enjoying the view. Chairs for my beautiful fiance. And all of that for a view like this. And look at that, guys. Look at the view we would have of this parade. Check us out! Check us out! Set the family up. They are comfortable as could be. But me, I am freaking out. Look at that thing, dude. Where's everybody at, man? That ain't too bad, man. I honestly thought it would be a lot more crazy than this, especially this spot. But you know what? People got the long walk. Yo, we set up right there. We got the 2 cargo bikes, we got 2 chairs, we got blankets, we got music, we got everything. Baby's sleeping already. I mean, look at this. We did it. The park is empty. We basically got this place to ourselves. I knew it. I knew it. Hey, we did it, huh? Check us out. With these 2 cargo bikes, we got this whole setup delivered. We're talking music. We're talking place for the baby to sleep, fan, the portable battery, chairs for my beautiful fiance. Good old New York City, right? I mean, here's the thing. Having a huge parade like the Tall Ships Parade for 4th of July and saying, look, crowds are gonna be crazy. There's gonna be no shade. You're gonna be miserable. You're not gonna be able to bring any comforts. You're just gonna have to sit there and watch the parade. Nope. Boy, I'm from Louisiana, but we do Mardi Gras, boy. We set up shop, all right? And with the cargo bike, with the Aventon LR, I was able to make this a breeze. I mean, let's be real. I was able to make this a breeze. This setup is professional duty. I am killing New York dad life right now. And it feels good, you understand? I am here in the middle of the city. This is Manhattan here, Queens here, Roosevelt Island. I understood that this would be a hard location for people to get to, so the cargo bikes worked in our favor. Also, notice, there's no parking, no cars available here. So to get here, everyone was gonna have to walk or bike. I chose to bike, and now I get beautiful views like this.